Punctuation mean that full stop, comma, and etc.
Yeah, Heidi, do you have any idea as well?
Punctuation, teacher, in Persian علامه گذاری, or we use quotation mark, put comma, and dot, and etc. teacher.
Okay. Now, today we study more quotation marks. Very important. Punctuation is very important, okay? Today we study about quotation mark, one of the punctuation. You put quotation marks before and after another person's exact word. Is it clear? Quotation mark means someone's saying here, someone's words are here. Is it clear? Read the example, classmate, Sharifa.
Classmate Sabrina, Rias says, it is the next sentences, the extra sentences, I think it is quotation. Mothers of young children should not work because young children need their mothers at home. Mothers at home, yes.
That's great. Now, another use of quotation mark is you can use a reporting phrase like what? Like he says, she states, she believe, she argue, she told. This is called a reporting phrase. The reporting phrase can come before or after or in the middle of the quotations. Okay, separated with a comma or two commas. You can just separate them with a comma. And here she stated is a what? It's a reporting phrase. And it is separated with what? With a comma. She stated, comma, quotation mark. It's not easy to be a single mother. Or it is not easy, she stated, comma. It's not easy, is also with comma, two commas here, to be a single mother. So here you have got quotation mark. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And with according to, another useful reporting phrase is according to. You use someone's exact word after recording to, use quotation mark. If you bring the exact saying of someone, you have to bring quotation mark. If you don't say exact word of that person, then you cannot bring quotation mark. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes.
And what is necessary for that? That we don't bring exact saying of the other person.
Indirect report, you can call them.
Okay.
Yep. Direct, you bring quotation mark. Indirect, you don't bring quotation marks. The third one, begin each quotation with the capital letter. See, you begin with the capital letter. When a quoted sentence is separated into two parts, begin the second part with a small letter. Now, in here, always, you start your quotation mark with a capital letter. For example, in the previous sentence, like mother, mother is what? It's the capital sentence. It's the capital letter. But if your quotation mark is divided into two parts, the first part, it is I is in the capital. The second part is in the small letter. Is it clear? To be a single mother. Is it clear? For example,
as you told that. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. No, sir. Please give us example. Then we will know better.
Okay, sure. In here, this is the third is the example. For example, it is not easy. One part, she stated, to be a single mother is another part. The complete part is, it is not easy to be a single mother. So she stated comes between them. She divides, or she stated is becoming between the two parts of one quotation. So in here, the first part, it is not easy. So you see, it is not easy. It starts with the capital letter. It is. What about the second part? To be a single mother. Is it the capital or a small letter?
It's small letter.
So the second part is always in the small letter. Is that clear?
Sir, but here we say that beginning each quotation with a capital letter, but here we didn't bring capital letter.
So we always bring in the first part. We don't bring in the second part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear, Sharifa?
Yes.
Teacher, insert here when quoted sentences is separated in two parts,
Oh,
being the
it's two
second
parts.
part with a small letter.
Yeah, it is. But as a rule, I think that it will be capital later. But
Always it's capital.
yes.
See, it is not easy.
Okay.
It is also in the capital letter. But it's not complete. Where is the other part? The other part is to be a single mother. So it's to be is with a small letter.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Fourth one, commas, periods, and question marks go inside the second quotation mark of a pair. Okay, again, she said goodbye. Can you tell me where is the period?
Where is what, sir?
The period always, the period, the quotation mark, the question mark, the commas, they always go inside what? They always go inside the quotation mark. In here, she said goodbye. The period is inside the quotation mark. Don't leave so soon. There is comma. Comma is inside the quotation mark. Why not? Question. It is inside the question mark, the quotation mark. Is that clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
That's good. Let's do a little bit exercise. Punctuate the following sentences. Add quotation marks, commas, capital letters, periods, and question mark. One sentence requires a comma, but does not require quotation mark or capital letter. So can you do them right now in here?
Okay. First or second?
Second.
Okay. Second. Why not? Here we put it is quotation. Why not? We put سوالية تشي
Question mark.
question mark. Yeah. Inside the quotation. Then I asked. Then full stop.
Great. Second, the third sentence.
Mister, medical care in the United States is too expensive. We use quotation mark here and then put comma. They answered.
That's great. They answered. It's okay. What about comma? You didn't bring any comma?
After they answer, teacher, we put comma.
Great. After the answer, do you bring period? Before the answer, do you bring comma?
Sir, before the answer, we should take comma.
Sure, before
Yes,
the answer, there is comma. Read the fourth one, Sharifa.
According to a little book about healthcare, we hear quotation in the United States, a 2-hour visit to the emergency room can cost more than 3,000. Here, I don't know what they mentioned that not the exact word.
Not the exact word. So in here, it is indirect.
Indirect.
Yes.
Okay, indirect. We don't need to put comma.
We don't need to bring quotation mark.
Quotation.
So according to the little book of United States, in here we bring United States comma, then the complete sentence.
Yes, sir.
That's great. The next one, Aida.
I asked here we use put quotation markers and also comma. What
Mark.
happens if I can't pay? And
so if I can't pay, comes question mark at the end.
I can't. at the end.
Yeah.
What
By the way,
happened? Yes, teacher.
At the
remember?
end or
No, at the end.
in quotation?
No, at the end comes. And by the way,
Okay.
punctuation mark comes within the quotation mark. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.